Here's a few pieces of Boulder Opal from central Queensland, I don't know which field. Rules in millimetres, the material's been wetted, and the white that you can see is the reflection of the lights. So we might as well start with this piece. As you can see, it's concave, but cut it through there and you've got two stones, I think. That's what I'd be doing anyway. There is another vein of colour through here. How good it would be, I don't know. You'd have to, what would you have to do with that? Disappears on that side. But you'd probably lose part of your stone looking to see what it is, and I don't think it'd be worth it. This piece has got quite a nice little couple of flashes of colour over here and over on this side. Cut that off and make a small stone there. That's probably a bit too small to worry about. Vibrant electric greens though. This piece just basically threw in. You grind this down, you might get that green fire coming back through under here a bit more, but that remains to be seen. And this last piece, a bit more like a piece of Koroite material. It's only thin on the edge, but it soon thickens up at the back there, so I think you'll get a nice pendant out of that. I'd grind it down a bit first to just see where you're going to end up with, but I think somewhere like that would be thick enough for a pendant. Be quite a nice stunning stone. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed looking. Cheers.